The incomplete table above summarizes the number of left-handed students and right-handed students by gender for 8th grade students at Kiesel Middle School. There are 5 times as many right-handed female students as there are left-handed female students, and there are 9 times as many right-handed male students as there are left-handed male students. If there is a total of 18 left-handed students and 122 right-handed students in the school, which of the following is closest to the probability that a right-handed student selected at random is female? So we want the probability that a right-handed student selected at random is female. Now, the little note here given is assume that none of the 8th grade students are both right-handed and left-handed. Okay, so we need to complete this table, but unfortunately we don't have actual numbers. However, we're given some information here. It says that there are 5 times as many right-handed female students as there are left-handed female students. So let's go ahead and say there are 5 times, so 5x, as many right-handed female students as there are left-handed. So if right is 5x, that means left would have to be x. And then he goes on to say as well that there are 9 times as many right-handed male students as there are left-handed male students. So for males, we will say 9y, 9 times as many right-handed as there are left-handed. So means left-handed males would have to be y. Now, to be able to answer this question, we need actual numbers for x and y. Let's go ahead and figure this out. Now, if you remember how to work out frequency tables, we know that the sum of these columns, if you add the x and y, they should equal 18. When you add the 5x and the 9y, it should equal 12. So that's the knowledge that we're going to use here to create a system of equations. The first equation is x plus y should equal 18. Second equation would be 5x plus 9y equals 122. And to solve a system of equations, we can use the elimination method. So let's multiply this whole top one by -5. And let's go ahead and write the result of that right over here so we can just keep working through this. Alright, so -5x goes right here. -5 times y is -5y. And -5 times 18 is -90. So we no longer really need this equation. We're just focusing on these two. Now the point here was to get rid of one of the variables. So 5x minus 5x is gone. So we have 9y minus 5y, which is 4y. 122 take away 90 is 32. So we then can say that y is 8 when you divide both sides by 4. Now, with that said, that means we can plug in this 8 for this box right here. So there are 8 left-handed male students. 8 goes right there, which means we can figure out x pretty easily because x plus 8 is 18, so x must be 10 because 10 plus 8 is 18. And if we know this one, this was x, this is 5 times 8, so that means this 5x here is actually 50. And if this was 8, this is 9 times 8, which makes it 72. Let's go on. Now to try to answer this question, which is right here, it says find the probability that a right-handed student selected at random is female. So we are told that the person has to be right-handed. That's telling us which column to focus on. This right-handed column right here. And that person has to be female. So we have to say 50, because there are 50 right-handed females, over 122. And when you plug that into the calculator, you get 0.4098, which runs to 0.410, and that makes A the answer to this question.